Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you are fine and doing well. Today's lesson is about the consonant letter M and its sound. So the objectives for today are the following. First, our objective is to identify and focus on the sound of the letter M. Second, to name pictures beginning with M. Third, to know the pattern of writing uppercase M and lowercase m. We will also read a sentence and we will learn sight words I and A. Letter M. As you see here, this is the uppercase M, which is the big M, and this is the lowercase m, which is the small m. The sound of the letter M is M, M. So you close your lips and you say its sound. Now watch this video to know more about the letter M.
Letter M. I will say the letter M. Now you say the letter. I will say the sound M. Now you say the sound. The letter is M. The sound is M. Can you say it? Which words start with the letter M? Let's read to find out. I see the monkey. I see the mop. I see the mushroom. I see the mitten. I see the muffin. I see the mug.
As you noticed in the video, we have many words beginning with M, as in muffin, mushroom, mop, and other words. Now we will learn new words. Look at the pictures below and try to name them. Did you know all of them? Map, milk, moon, mom. Reread the words and look at the beginning sound. Which sound do you hear at the beginning of each word? It is the sound M of the letter M. M, map, M, moon, M, milk, M, mom. How to write the letter M? This is the pattern of writing the letter M. Look in here, we have the uppercase M. We begin from the top, down to the bottom. And then we go up to the top and make a slanting line down. And then a slanting line up, similar to the shape of the letter V. And then we go down to the bottom, a straight line down to the bottom. This is the uppercase M. Then look at the lowercase m, which is the small m. We begin from the middle, not from the top, from the middle. A straight line down and then up Curve, we make a curve, a round curve, down, straight line down, up, curve, and then down to the bottom. This is the lowercase m. Moreover, now we will read a sentence having words beginning with m. Look at the picture. As you notice here, we have a muffin, which is a small piece of cake, and a mouse. Look at the mouse. The mouse can eat the muffin. So, we can form a sentence saying the mouse ate the muffin. As you notice, we have two words beginning with the letter M. The first word is mouse, mouse, and the second is muffin, muffin. Now we will move on to learn the sight words. Sight words are words commonly used in English. You can see these words in stories, songs, and these sight words can help you a lot in forming sentences. So, the first word that we will learn today is the word I. Use the word I to talk about yourself. So I use the word I to talk about myself. I run, for example. I read. I write. I am a girl. I am a teacher. I am a student. If I asked you a question, what do you do at school? Your answer will be, I read, or I write, I play, I see my friends. So use I to talk about yourself. So here you can draw a picture of something you do at school. For example, look at the children. So if the child talks about himself, he will say, I, at school, I can read. At school, I can write, etc. We will move on to the second sight word. A. Use A to talk about something. For example, a book, a pen, a box. So I use a to talk about anything. So tell me, what do you see on the table? I see a pen. I see a laptop. I see a phone. I see a copybook. Look at the picture here. What do you see in the living room? I see a sofa. I see a television, a door, a log, a rug, etc. So we use a to talk about something, about anything you see. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my session and hope everything was clear to you about the letter M, the pattern of writing letter M, pictures beginning with M, the sentence that we read, and the sight words. Thank you everyone.